Jiangzhou Shenlong Pump Industry Ltd. Established in 1996. We are specialized in the R&D, manufacture and sales of submersible water pumps spare parts. We provide ODM and OEM customization services to meet the unique needs of our clients. The main products include deep well submersible pumps, submersible fountain pumps, submersible sewage pumps, pipeline booster pumps, split case pumps, multi-stage centrifugal pumps, etc. The annual output is more than 11 万 units. We have 3 complete casting lines, including the expandable casting process, wax casting mold, coated sand. The wax casting mold line, special for stainless steel material, is finished in the thermostatic workshop to guarantee the casting accuracy, meanwhile shortening the whole production time. Our products have successfully been exported to over 100 countries and regions, including Southeast Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, Oceania, and North America, establishing a solid reputation for excellence within the domestic submersible pump industry. Actively participating in the formulation of national standards and playing a crucial role in the revision of standards such as CE and ABS, we demonstrate our commitment to excellence and innovation. In our pursuit of expanding market share, we are actively seeking collaborations with local water pump service companies and specialized pump distributors. Welcome to join our team as we work together.